SLACKROBATS, today's conditioning drill is rotating step overs, and we'll be using an everyday towel. If you don't have a towel, grab a rope that's this long, grab a jump rope, something that's this long, and we'll restrict your arms from moving past this point. Okay, progression 1, here we go. Get close to the anchor point. Get up onto the line however you want. I'm going to grab the towel in both hands, just like so, and walk across the line. Progression 1 is to walk forward all the way across the line and then to walk backwards, holding the towel. If this is easy and you need a challenge, grab the towel closer. Trick here is pull the towel away. Boom, all the way across. Continue progression 1 by going backwards. I don't care if you hold the towel this close. To build on these progressions, it's only necessary to hold it at the end. Okay, that's progression 1, across the line and back. Moving on to progression 2. Hold the towel at the ends and step over. Continue doing this all the way across the line. You get the idea. I'm using a drishti or a focus point to help me balance, taking some deep breaths and moving slow. A tip, if you find yourself in danger here and you're gonna fall, let go of the towel so you stay safe. Okay, so progression 1 was to do the first thing. Progression 2 was to walk across the towel with the stepping over the towel, and then to do the same thing backwards. Once you reach this end, step over backwards. Boom. Doing this, I lean my chest forward a little bit, put the weight towards my toes. As I step over, transition the weight into the back foot, lift and step back. All the way across the line. That's progression 2. Okay, we're gonna fast forward on progression 3. Again, starting at the anchor point. This is the rotating step over parts. We've built up to that. Here we go. We're going to take a step over the towel. Then we're going to turn around. And take another step backwards this time. And then turn around. Progression 3 is to do this all the way across the line and back. Step over. If you want to, mix up your turn around or your rotation so that you go both directions. All the way across the line, all the way back. You get the idea. Have any questions? Email us. Have any ideas? Send us your thoughts. Continue training. Until next time, SLACKROBATS.